Jaxson got a fish.
Jaxson got a fish.
We got another one.
You gotta grab him. Okay. You got the fish, you gotta hold him.
Hey, got him on the sunrise, Jerry. Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Fox, and today I'm on a little road trip. I'm meeting up with Jerry down in Arkansas. We're either going to the Norfork River below the dam or the White River there in Arkansas as well. Pretty excited. I think it was this time last year we did really well down there. I do believe we was at the Norfork River right below the dam, but the White River is an amazing place, so I'm excited about it. Going down there early. Want to thank Jerry's mom for letting us stay there. It's a 30-minute drive in the morning instead of a 3-hour drive, so that's a little bit different, so I'm so appreciative of that. But going down there a little early, it's 11:46. Gonna hang out with Jerry and get the game plan for tomorrow, I guess, and just hang out, and then tomorrow start bright and early and go fishing. But it's about a 2.5-hour drive where I'm at down to Harrison, Arkansas, but we'll see. Get down this road here and I'll see you when we get there. I'll do a little road tripping video here and we'll be there shortly. Let's get ready for the next one. Let's go. We have made it to Norfork. Here we are. We got Jerry and his nephew over here. Get all tied up. Let's go. Let's catch some fish. All right, here we are. We're trying to get down here. It's a pretty good spot that we had last time. I don't bust my butt on this concrete. Get all set up. Right here, Jerry. Jaxson got a fish.
Jaxson got a fish. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's get a picture.
Yeah.
Here. Just put it.
Now you hold the fish.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
And we'll just do this here.
Yeah.
I think so. Can we keep the fish until... Okay.
Okay.
There it goes.
We'll get you
We got another one.
Is it the same one?
No, that was bigger.
Oh, that's a keeper.
Yeah. Whoa. That's good.
Get him over the land, buddy. Swing him this way.
Oh yeah. Second fish.
All right, buddy. Put him over here on the ground. So you can push your button now.
Okay.
I got a net here.
Keeping him.
Jackson's 2 for rest of us 0.
Okay, cast back out there. Get another one. You gotta grab him.
Okay.
You caught the fish, you gotta hold him. You gotta hold him.
He's,
You gonna eat him?
yeah.
Here. Now throw him over here.
Okay.
We'll put him on the string.
Hey, got him on the sunrise, Jerry. Oh yeah. He choked that dude though. You may have to use your stringer just for a second, Jerry. Got a little trouty trout. Got him. Oh, Jerry, I think it's the sunrise, bro. Oh, that's a nice one. You see him do that ramp? You see him ramp off that thing?
Yeah, that's a nice fish. I got it.
I'm gonna see if I can cast.
Got him. That's a nice one.
The whole time I saw this video and I wasn't video. You got it.
I keep breaking my.
Excellent job. That's way out there, man.
Keep breaking my line.
Down a little bit.
There he is. I guess I need to change my battery. Nice one. Yep. Oh,
Whoa. Fighter.
you got a fighter?
Going out.
Jerry, I may actually. Oh, get off that rock.
You're not done yet. Can you get him?
Yeah, I think so. Oh yeah. Got him. Sunrise, Jerry. Sunrise.
Put Jackson on the sunrise.
We're gonna have lots of fish to eat tomorrow or one day.
Oh, 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 fishy.
Are we eating the fish tomorrow?
You need to cook your fish for you. Mr. Fox will be taking his fish home.
Okay.
You'll eat him and his dog.
I think that's it right there. Oh,
Is that another one?
yes, sir. I think this one's gonna do. He's got a good hook set on him. I think he's going back. Oh, yep, he's definitely going back. Oh, buddy. Stop it.
If you want to keep him,
Huh?
Jackson wants him.
Do you want him? Or do you want to?
Sure.
You want to put him on this?
Oh, 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 oh.
I'll always take some. I'll always take some like this.
You catch that one so you don't get 4. You can take 4 home.
Fish.
Oh, oh, that's in the scales. There. All right. Mr. Jackson's gonna take it. That worked out perfect. Oh!
Alright, so we have 5 and we caught.
Well, this one may be a good one, Jerry. Or it felt like one.
Telling these guys back up here yesterday, right here, and I'm originally from here, but I moved away and just moved back first part of the year.
Yeah.
Came right there where they're at. I caught a 24.5-inch brown yesterday.
Woo! Wow.
I'm running that 4-pound trout SOS line.
Uh-huh.
Fight.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna throw mine back.
Okay. All right.
If I catch a decent one, I'll give it to you.
Well.
Good job, buddy.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one there.
Okay, let's get him on the stringer. You got one left to get your limit.
Okay. And I'm gonna go for it.
Gotta get you one more bait on there.
Rooster tail. They just sounded the alarm. They're gonna start letting water out. So we need to adjust our footings.
Don't slip and fall. You never know how high it's gonna come.
Yeah, well that's what it's like. Well, we might as well.
Where it was before,
Yeah.
especially over here. Now, sometime you never know how much they're gonna turn on.
Yeah.
So you need to get your butt up.
It's better to be safe than sorry, huh?
Maybe it'll change for you.
Was that everything, Jerry?
I think so.
Good, man, I'm here.
Oh. Well, Jerry, I have enough trouble with one of these, let alone two of them. Getting tangled up.
You just keep that other one, you may need it sometime. I don't need more than one stringer. You're a professional YouTuber.
No.
Okay.
I wonder if I should just go ahead and put these in the... Well, they, good night. It didn't take long to lose a spot, did it?
No.
All right.
I was wondering if that would happen.
Yeah, it did. All right, y'all. What a couple days. Awesome days. Wore out. It's kind of bad saying wore out from fishing. But anyway, great time. Always a great time with Jerry and then Jaxson. I do believe that's right. Jaxson. Awesome fishing. And a big shout out to Jerry's mom for letting me stay. That really helps a lot, going down there and then starting from there on down instead of pretty much driving for 4 or 5 hours and then fishing all day and then coming home. So big shout out, thank you. Great time, but I think it's done. I'm going home. So until next time, let's get ready for the next one. Let's go.